How would you describe your strengths and weaknesses?
My greatest strength is team management. I really enjoy working as team and leveraging everyone's unique skills while at the same time having fun. And my weakness is to avoid too late stay away from overdone, like for example, perfectionism and being more calm.
Can you provide an example of a challenging work situation you faced and how you handled it?
2 years ago, I worked for a company and I've always strong at work, feeling confident that I can do everything myself. And it took some reflection of me that I worked too much and needed help, which was difficult for me to admit. And I voiced my concern to my boss and hired an assistant, which helped me to reduce my stress and increase my productivity.
What skills and qualifications do you bring to this role?
My skills and qualifications that I bring this role are commercial awareness, management, planning, research skills, and teamwork.